How to check Amazon Digital Credit, Tutorial 2026. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly where to find your Amazon Digital Credit. Most people don't know they have these credits sitting in their account unused. What is Amazon Digital Credit? Amazon Digital Credit is promotional credit you earn by selecting no-rush shipping on your purchases. These credits are only for digital content like ebooks, music, movies, TV shows, and apps. They're different from your Amazon gift card balance. Method 1, direct link easiest. This is the fastest way. Open your browser. Type this URL, amazon.com/nourishcredits, press enter. You're taken directly to your No Rush Credits page. Your balance displays immediately. You'll see your credit amount, expiration date, and transaction history. This is where Amazon hides your digital credits. Bookmark this page so you can access it quickly next time. Method 2, through your account. Step 1, log into Amazon. Step 2, click your account in the top right corner. Step 3, look for your credit and benefit balances. Click it. Step 4, this page shows all your promotional credits including digital credits. Step 5, you'll see your balance and expiration dates. Method 3, through gift card. Step 1, go to your account. Step 2, click gift cards. Step 3, look for manage gift card balance or similar option. Step 4, digital credits sometimes appear here along with your gift card balance. Note this method doesn't always show digital credits. Method 1 is more reliable. Method 4, at checkout when you're buying a digital item like an ebook or movie, go to checkout. If you have digital credits, they automatically apply as a discount. You'll see the original price crossed out and the discounted price after your credit is applied. This is the easiest way to confirm you have credits available. Understanding your digital credits, your balance shows the dollar amount available. The expiration date tells you when the credit expires. Data is only available for the last 365 days. After that, transaction history disappears. Use your credits before they expire or you lose them. How to use your digital credits. Go to the Kindle store, Amazon Music, Prime Video, or Apps section. Select an ebook, song, movie, or app. Go to checkout. Your credit automatically applies. If your credit covers the full cost, it's free. If it's less, pay the remaining balance with another payment method. Credits apply automatically, no codes needed. Where digital credits come from, you earn them by choosing no rush shipping during checkout. Amazon offers promotional credits for slower shipping. You'll see the offer at checkout. When you select no rush shipping, Amazon gives you a digital credit. You'll get an email confirming the credit has been applied when your order ships. Important notes: digital credits work only on digital content, not on physical items. Check your expiration date regularly. You don't want to lose unused credits. The balance page is hidden in Amazon's menu. Use the direct link amazon.com/nourishcredits to find it easily. Digital credits auto-apply. You don't need to enter codes or anything. If you can't find your credits, try the direct URL, amazon.com/nourishcredits. If that doesn't work, check your email for confirmation that the credit was applied. Contact Amazon customer service. Give your order number. They can verify if a credit was added to your account. Go to amazon.com/nourishcredits, easiest method, or go to your account, your credit and benefit balances. Digital credits are for ebooks, music, movies, and apps only. They auto-apply at checkout. Check expiration dates. Use them before they expire. If this helped you find your digital credits, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me how much digital credit you have hiding in your account. Thanks for watching.